Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan Hanik Sngi Kalapanlong yak Jied yak Samla na Kajala Meghalaya Ïashim Bynta ha ka National Youth Parliament Festival Kabansalong ha uni usnem ha kani kasngi kinong bishar kila sngap yak jingkren jo ki Samla kibala pha yak video jengki langba ki kor ki bor jong kani ka juk bamanta but ban Jied ik Samla kiban mi khmat yak jala sha ka National Youth Parliament Festival but hadin ba ki Samla kibala sha Jied ban Ïashim Bynta sha ka National Youth Parliament Festival kini ki Samla kinhap ban penkre ban lek Ïashim Bynta sha kani ka festival ha kani kasngi kinong bishar kila yo ban sngap yak jingkren jong ki Samla kibala mi khmat na keleng ki district jong ka jala Meghalaya
population to 464 million by 2021 and finally a decline to 458 million by 2026, where the average age of the country's population will approximately be 29 years. The common thread that runs through these quotations and summaries of newspaper clippings is this: we have a small window of opportunity to invest in our youths in this decade and to empower them to take up key position in society, in job markets, institution, and more importantly, in governance. And this burden cannot be shouldered by only one organization or institution. It has to be the concerned efforts of all, including the youths of the country themselves, taking a keen interest in the developments. Shakespeare was right when he said in one of his plays, "Youth stuff will not endure." Of course, he said it in another context, but the sentiment is still relevant. The fast-paced world in which we are living is unforgiving, as it is exacting, and the passage of youth into adulthood is but an event that happens almost in the twinkling of an eye. And before we have even realizing it, our youth of today have become men and women weighed down by the care of the world, lost to the humdrum coils of ordinary life.
In 2014, launched the Make in India initiative by encouraging domestic and international investments in 25 identified sectors, including the aerospace and defense, pharmaceutical and medical devices, new and renewable energy, etc. Through the Make in India linked schemes and initiatives like Skill India, Digital India, International Solar Alliance, India endeavors increasing the manufacturing sector's growth to 12 to 14% annually, create 100 million jobs in the sector by 2022, thereby increasing manufacturing sector's GDP share to 25% by 2022. This is being
first. It aims to celebrate the unity that exists in this vast country and amongst the various different people within it. The second is to promote the spirit of national integration. The third is to showcase the various cultures and customs, traditions and heritage and art that exists in our country.
When I speak about unity, a very beautiful quote comes into my mind. Please pay your attention to this. Aikyam balat samajasya tadbhave sadirvala tasmat aikyam prasamsanti yudham rashtra uddeshna, which means unity is the strength of the nation and the nation is weak without unity. Hence, those who wish good for the nation will strongly praise unity. So now it is high time that no Hindu, no Christian, no Muslim is required, but only a true Indian is required. If we can put behind our caste, culture and religion and believe in just one identity, that is Indian, then there is no country in this world.
On the 25th September 2015, as part of a wider set of nation-building initiatives. It is a program of the Government of India to enhance the domestic manufacturing industry and to draw the foreign investors to invest in the Indian economy. The aim of launching this program is to make India a world-level manufacturing powerhouse and to transform India into a manufacturing center.
Healthy family. To live a healthy life, we should always maintain like doing exercise every morning and doing exercise every morning. Balanced diet is very important. Move around at the starting year. In order to get a healthy life, we have to do like so many things, doing things that always make us happy and feel good. And if we are a sport person, we should obviously live a life that is healthy. It is very important. And also smoking is very dangerous. If we are a sport person, we should always avoid smoking. Smoking will cause harm for ourselves. And we should
heart of the country. As told earlier, due to the varied religions practiced here, each section of people have festivals of their own. Other than religion and culture, food also has a huge space in the hearts of the people. The cuisine in India is also equally diverse. It is influenced by people belonging to different parts of the country, their way of living, the availability of goods, and the environment. Similarly, clothes also depend on the place of origin, climate, and heritage of the place.